Here's how to turn off Reels on Facebook. Now I have my iPhone as well as Android. If you wanted to permanently disable Reels so that it doesn't show up, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you're going to tap on the menu button at the bottom right on your iPhone or Android, or if you see three lines at the top left, just tap on that. After you've done that, scroll down from here and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings right under it. Now that we're in your settings, scroll down until you get to the Preferences section and tap on Tab Bar right under Accessibility. Next, tap on Customize the bar at the top, and then scroll down and find Reels on this list. Instead of Auto, just tap on it and switch it to Hide. And again on Android, instead of Auto, switch this to Hide. And just like that, you've hidden those Reels or the videos within Facebook. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, man. Thanks for watching.